Hi, welcome to 7 Bird Crescent in Ajax, Ontario, Unit 2. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath is perfect if you're looking to move out on your own. Before we go downstairs and explore, I'm going to show you the ensuite washer and dryer in the shared or common area. There we go, right as you enter. Now let's head downstairs. Go. Perfect. And as we enter into the home, we find a very nice, spacious, modern, well-lit area. Let's go explore. As we enter into this tiled kitchen here, stainless steel appliances, phenomenal modern backdrop. This is a great place to have your morning coffee. Great place to cook that Thanksgiving turkey as well. So we enter in here. We see a very nice, spacious living room area. Let's go explore. This is bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 here. Comfortably fit a queen size bed. It's got a nice closet space as well. Can fit a night dresser or a chest of drawers. It's a great room here. Right next door is bedroom number 2. Now this is what I would consider the primary bedroom. It's got a lot of space, can comfortably fit a queen size again, potentially even a king. You comfortably can also have a dresser in here, a little nightstand, and it's got this very quaint, very beautiful walk-in closet here to our left, middle, and to our right. Here, I'm gonna back up and show you guys. There we go. And then finally is our 1 bathroom right here. There we go. Right? Nice, new, modern, updated, great feel. This is where you're gonna wanna be after you decompress. There you go. Hey guys. Guys, if you have any questions about 7 Bird Crescent, Unit 2, Ajax, Ontario, this 2-bed, 1-bath is available on royalyorkpropertymanagement.ca. That's royalyorkpropertymanagement.ca. Thanks so much. Bye.